Ever wondered if Beehiiv could significantly boost your lead generation efforts? Let's dive in and find out. Beehiiv isn't just a newsletter platform. It's a powerful engine for capturing and nurturing potential customers. The first step in lead generation is making it effortless for visitors to subscribe. Beehiiv offers beautifully designed, customizable sign-up forms you can embed directly on your website. Once a visitor enters their email and hits subscribe, they become a lead, and Beehiiv automatically organizes them for you. This is where Beehiiv's magic truly shines in lead management. All your collected leads are neatly stored and readily accessible within your Beehiiv dashboard. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, allowing you to send targeted content and offers, thereby increasing conversion rates. Beehiiv facilitates the nurturing process with its automation features, enabling you to set up drip campaigns that guide new leads through your sales funnel. Understanding your audience is key to effective lead acquisition. Beehiiv provides insightful analytics that help you track your growth and understand what resonates with your subscribers. From attractive sign-up forms to sophisticated segmentation and automated nurturing, Beehiiv provides the tools to transform website visitors into valuable leads. So, to answer the question, yes, Beehiiv is a robust platform for your lead acquisition and management needs.